Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about interactive brokers versus Thinkorswim, which is the best trading platform. First up, interactive brokers, or it's also called IBKR. It has trade stocks, options, features, forex and crypto in 150 plus global markets. Their trader workstation is built for pros with 90 plus order types, risk tools and tiered pricing that rewards high volume traders. You will also get SmartRouting for top tier execution and access to deep research tools. Plus, it's one of the few platforms that lets you trade real crypto and wide range of international assets. What's the catch? It has a steep learning curve, a less intuitive interface and charges for some market data and research. Now let's talk about Thinkorswim. It is known for industry-leading charting, 100 plus indicators and custom scripting with thinkScript. Offers paper trading, strategy backtesting and top-tier education, all for free. Zero commissions on US stocks, and it's super user-friendly, especially for options and technical traders. But it's US focused only, lacks forex and direct crypto, and the web version is also limited. So what's the final verdict? Choose interactive brokers if you're a global or high-frequency trader who needs multi-asset access and low fees. Go with Thinkorswim if you're a US-based trader focused on technical analysis and options with a clean, supportive platform. So we can conclude IBKR is equal to global reach and pro tools. Thinkorswim is equal to US focus and charting power. Which platform is right for you? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.